Environmental threats are the leading cause of aging skin. Exposure to smoke, pollution, and sun can cause free radicals, leaving skin dry and uneven in tone, and increasing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Now you can fight back with our #1 solution to the #1 cause of signs of aging: PREVAGE Anti-Aging Daily Serum. This firming serum protects and corrects the look of skin, helping shield it from environmental assaults and intercepting future aging signs. It targets where and when it's most needed with time-release technology. Fortified with Idebenone, the most powerful antioxidant available today, it dramatically improves the look of skin. In addition to noticeably minimizing the appearance of lines, wrinkles, age spots, and discolorations and giving skin a firm look, tests show a reduction in the appearance of redness and minor scars. Bahman, et al., 2009, factors contributing to the facial aging of identical twins when compared to antioxidants in face products. Idebenone in PREVAGE surpasses alpha-lipoic acid, kinetin, vitamin C, vitamin E, and ubiquinone in environmental protection against oxidative stress due to sun, smoke and pollution. Improves skin's overall appearance in a short period of time with continued use. Skin's natural look of resilience is fortified, allowing skin to help fight the effects of environmental aggression. Protects and corrects the look of skin. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.